Yo, what's good? About to start deadheading to my pickup. Finna talk to y'all for a little minute. Y'all doing good? Y'all doing good? Y'all making some money? What y'all doing? What y'all doing? It's time to woo. Yo, what's good? What's good? Checking in with you, checking in. 1, 2, check. 1, 2, mic check. Can you hear me loud and clear? If you feeling blessed, if you feeling amazing, if you feeling great, clap your hand 2 times. Back to the basics. Filling up real quick. I'm about to do a load check for y'all. I didn't even realize when I booked this load, it's going to Nashville to Charleston, South Carolina. I didn't even realize I was gonna be driving back through my hometown. That mean I really could like stay the night type, but that mean I'm gonna have to do more driving tomorrow. And I'm cool with keeping the reels moving. You feel? Yeah. Hey, you know y'all gotta top off that gas. You gotta top it off, make it look good. I don't even know if y'all was able to see it for real. I put in 150, but I don't think we even gonna hit 130. Gas is cheap. Gas is $5.19 and I'm getting 8-cent cash back a gallon. So I can't complain. I can't complain at all. Let's go do a load check though real quick for y'all. Go do a load check. It's hot as shit. Sorry. But first, we actually go inside and get my receipt back for pump 7. Yeah, gas is actually $5.13.
Let me get it for you.
I got you.
Come on,
Nah, you good, man. Appreciate you. Thank you. Yes, sir, you too.
Yeah, appreciate it.
I just need a receipt. She looking weird. It's hot. This lady looking at me all weird. I ain't even gonna. I was gonna put it in the camera, but I don't be talking about stuff like that. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
You got it, buddy.
But yeah, let's check this load real quick, see what this load looking like. Check this load real quick. See what this load looking like. I gotta grab my keys. Let's see what this load looking like. I'm gonna show y'all what this load looking like. Y'all go see it before me. It look good to me. Yeah. Let's get back on the road and make this money. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? I'm gonna talk to y'all real quick though. I'm gonna talk to y'all real quick. Let me get settled. Let me get settled. Let me get settled. Let me get settled. I know y'all done heard it 5 times, but man, if you're feeling blessed, man, just bless me. Send me a blessing. I need $1 million, a million times a million times a million. I really need about 100 million, and I'm good. Let me turn on this air. Man, yeah. So I need 100 million. I said I'm retired at 25, but technically, since I work for myself now, you know, I feel retired. I don't feel the I don't even feel like I work a job no more. I just feel like I'm chasing my dream. Which my dream, I want to be an actor. So at 25, man, they gonna make me back up out of here like this? That's crazy. Cause this car wanted to park in front of me like that, man. That's crazy. Oh, I appreciate you, pimping. Appreciate you. Yeah. Gotta whip that thing. But yeah, so I want to be an actor. I said I'm retired at 25. With everything. This gonna be terrible. Yeah, so I want to retire, be an actor. You know, that's what I want to do. That's what I want to be. And acting, since that's my dream, I won't see that. I won't consider it as working. I just be living my dream. If you watch all my other videos, you know I want to own real estate. I want to own real estate everywhere. So I'm not trying to be doing manual. I don't know what's defined work. I'm not. You running the red lights. As soon as I get the chance to take my acting career to the next level, do I have any experience? No. Am I a great actor? You know, I believe I am. You know, I don't think, you know, I'm the best, you know, because I don't have no experience, truth be told. Will I become a great actor? Yes, I will. Yes. Will I be one of the best actors to live? Yes, I will. Will I put me in the history books? Yes, I will. You gotta believe. Gas right there is 413, and gas right here not even a quarter of a mile away from that gas station is 519, and it ain't no truck stop. But yeah, so I'm trying to run up a bag, drop a bag on some houses, get that different sources of income rolling in, you know, cause you a punk for that. Appreciate you. I ain't mean to call you no punk. I ain't think you was gonna let me go. Yeah, drop a bag. That light, y'all. There we go. Trying to chase the bag, run up a bag, drop a bag on some houses, get that different sources of income rolling in, you know, cause you a punk for that. Appreciate you. I ain't mean to call you no punk. I ain't think you was gonna let me go. Yeah, drop a bag. That light, y'all. There we go. Trying to chase the bag, drop a bag on some real estate, get that real estate to, you know, produce that income, because I don't know how long I'm gonna be whipping this truck. Do you feel what I'm saying? But nah, honestly, mean, so my plan been changing since, the longer I stay out here. Originally, I said I wanted 300 trucks. Then I said, I don't think I'm gonna have more than 5 trucks. Then I said, it might just be the one. I might, and I don't know. I'm just speaking as of today. Might change my opinion tomorrow. I do not know if I'm gonna try to buy a truck. Actually, I might just stick with the rental route. But I gotta see what my profits gonna look like. I think I might have got a dedicated shipper, not a dedicated route, a dedicated shipper. I mean, he told me he can keep my wheels rolling. He said as long as I want to stay on the road, I can stay on the road. I gotta give y'all some feedback about this load though that I did pick up. But anyway, I'm trying to think, do I want to stop in my crib real quick? I don't need nothing. I'll just be stopping just to stop. Like I'm literally about to. I hate Chattanooga with a passion. I love Chattanooga. I'm gonna get it back when I get the money. There's a lot of things I want to do to help Chattanooga, help the community, but Chattanooga can kiss my black goodbye. Deuces 2 times. Hallelujah. Man, why just go? Why y'all breaking code? Just go. Just go. Just go. But back to what I was really getting at. Yeah, so I think I might just rent. Now and I need to be back over here. People can't drive, they be messing up my multitasking, because I can multitask and I can talk to y'all and drive and be straight. These folks be pissing me off. But yeah, so I've been looking, depending on what these next 2 weeks turn out to be like. I'm gonna work with this dude and see, what it's looking like. See if I really like it. And I mean, I can even get other rental trucks and put drivers in it if I wanted to. I don't really know if I even want to hire another. Honestly speaking, I don't know if I want to hire another driver. I don't even know. I mean, I know I'll be able to make more money, but I don't even know if I want to. I mean, do I want to just be a solo? And the thing about it is, if I got dedicated work, and all I got to do is hire a driver, and if they got dedicated work, picking up from the same place type job, they're going to be used to it. Can be home on a weekend, because he even said that. He said you can be home on a weekend. They got local work. It's a lot. I could just, hire other drivers and have them in the rental. But I don't know. We're just gonna have to really see when we get there. But I've been mapping it out, like how much I'll be able to save type and put into my budget for the real estate. And if I could put in a normal amount every month, I'd be good. And honestly speaking, even if I could put $5,000 a month to the side for real estate, that's $60,000. So, I mean, 3%. on your for first home buyers, you can go grab a $300,000 house. That's $9,000. But I mean, yeah. So that's the plan. Y'all want to see the hood projects? Y'all want to see the hood projects? Chat time 423. What you know about it? East, man, we don't want to see all of that. We don't want to see all that. I don't want to see all that. East Lake projects. There go y'all some box trucks from Lee Smith. What's that? 6'5"? Yeah. I hate Chattanooga, but I love Chattanooga. But I ain't gonna make this too long. This I don't. Did I really talk to y'all for 15 minutes? If I just wasted 15 minutes of y'all time, thank you. If you stay tuned all the way, because you know sometimes I'll be talking about some real life, some real life shit. Yeah. Why you going so slow? Peace out. Yo, what's good? What's good? I got about 100 miles to go. But so this load, only thing I don't particularly like about it, if I do potentially work with them in the future, it's for a moving company. So they hire a crew to load the truck, hire a crew to unload the truck. You moving furniture in and out somebody's house, that ain't gonna take 20 minutes, 30 minutes to load up. That's gonna take a solid minimum an hour, like every single time. So it's like with this one, when they loaded me up, it took about an hour and a half. Unloading, I'm just gonna say, an hour. Shoot, hey, I don't be trying to wait that long. I get impatient. You know what I mean? It'll be different if like I can go exploring or something. I'll be in residential neighborhoods. Like all I can do is walk the block. Like what the closest gas station is? I can't really do nothing. Take a break, take a nap. But what if they moving a whole 4 bedroom house? Like, but we gonna see. I'ma do it. Like I said, dude said he can keep my truck moving. Like, he asked me how long I usually stay on the road, and I was like, usually a month. And then he was like, oh yeah, we can do that. He was like, keep your truck moving if you want to. Now, of course, the money gotta be worth it. I love this rain. Yeah, I ain't about to talk to y'all too much, I'm gonna pull up on y'all when we get to the unloading. And it's raining. I don't know the weather conditions out there, but I don't even know if they do detention pay. Like it ain't no Raycon, it ain't no BOL, it is like a fake BOL, but it ain't no real like contract type stuff. Let me see though, because that's not good of me. I should not be on my phone, focused on the rain. And then it's raining very, very, very dangerous. Shame on you. Shame on you. I apologize. I don't be needing to influence y'all because that's bad. not safe. Do not drive and text. Don't drive and scroll. Do not drive and operate on your phone. It is very highly dangerous. I do not recommend it to anybody. If you do it, you good at it. But yeah, I'm gonna check in with y'all when it's time to unload. I don't know. I hope it ain't still raining, cause woo, boy, hey, these 2-lane highways when it's 2 big old trucks passing by and other folks ain't driving and they just start to go over that line a little bit. But if you go over, it's like you gonna be in the ditch. So it's like we're going strong in the paint. But yeah, I'm gonna check in with y'all though when it's time to unload. I hope it ain't raining, because I mean, you can't get these people furniture wet. And they only hired, they were like, ooh, come on, do not do that. Do not, boy, hey, your truck would have been total. So when the moving crews that they hire to unload and load up, they only hire them like for a certain amount of hours. So if it still is raining, they would like have to reschedule them to come out, and y'all gonna have to pay me for however long I have to wait. But I don't even know how that works with them. But it's Friday. I'm already not having no luck with finding no load. I don't know what's gonna happen. You know, sometimes I be talking to y'all, and I stop talking to y'all because I start thinking of something else. My mind, boy, they tripping for gas. My mind be thinking about so much, like my mind can never stay focused on like one topic, one scenario for like so long. It be so much on my mind. I mean, where is the weather for real? Because they're not gonna be able to unload. And y'all don't talk about me for being on my phone. Yo, it's gonna be raining all day. Raining all week. Rain, go away. If you don't, I'ma still drive. Gotta remix that. But yeah, I don't talk to y'all too long. I ain't trying to make this too long. I'll see y'all in a minute. Yo, so we have arrived to the destination. Have arrived to the delivery destination. I'm chilling. They unloading the truck. I'm gonna get some footage for y'all in a minute. Last time it was 2 of them. Last time it was actually 3 of them technically loading up the truck, but now it's like 2, 4, 5. I think it's 5 of them. So they moving, getting it quick. And they keep going from rain to no rain to a little bit of sprinkle to some sprinkle to some sprinkle. But it's actually nice out here. It's nice out here. It's nice. But see if I can get some footage of y'all of them unloading this truck. Get some footage, cause you know, gotta give y'all, gotta show y'all what it is and what it ain't. But hey, the message for today, the message of the day, huh? I'm trying to give y'all a good message. Give me 10 more seconds. Message yesterday. If you woke up today, you was given a chance. You was given an opportunity. So when you're given an opportunity, it's up to you to take that opportunity and make the best choices you can. So when you're given a chance to live a new day, you're given the chance. So you have the choices you make in your life, the choices you make each day you live. It's up to you. You know, everybody wanna live a fancy, rich life and all that. You gotta make the choices to get there. You know, if you're given the opportunity to put in the work, you gotta put in the work and go get it. It's up to you, cause you in control of the choices you make. So what you gonna do? You'll keep making the same choices you've been making, and that's why you in the position you in? Or you gonna start making a change and take control and realize you in control? Because can't nobody control your destiny but you and him. So get there, player. So the message of the day is, when you are given a chance, make the right choice. But oh yeah, I'm supposed to be showing y'all some footage. Let's get to it.